What's going on, my dudes? So today's just a quick little install. Hopefully everything works out. I bought this tonneau cover from the company Truxedo. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, that's right. So, and this is the Trux work model tonneau cover. I purposely bought a toolbox that fit below like the bed line. That way I could get a tonneau cover, and hopefully this works. From the little research that I did, early Ford Ranger beds, the 6-foot bed should be about the same size. So yeah, stick along and hopefully this works out. If not, now you guys know not to buy this specific tonneau cover for your truck. Cool. So stick around. Okay, so I just looked over the instructions real quick and it seems pretty straightforward. It comes with like these gaskets, like spongy type of weather stripping. You just put that on two corners. You place the actual tonneau cover at the front of the bed. And to do that, you connect both ends, clamp it in place, and you are pretty much done. So yeah, I'm going to put in a time lapse, and hopefully everything lines up and looks amazing. Alright guys, so it's not going to work straight out of the box. Size wise, it looks like it's pretty spot on. Only thing is these clamps that they send you, I'm sure they work with the Ranger, but on the truck they just barely don't hook the rail. So either you have two options: either you cut these, which is probably what I'm going to do, cut them about an inch and a half, and then that should be enough for them to be able to slide in, or you get longer bolts. I don't feel like driving around trying to find some more bolts today, so I'm gonna go ahead and just cut these real quick, and I'll be right back once I have everything ready to be bolted on. Okay guys, so I'm almost done. I went ahead and, as you can see, I cut that lip off of it. I still have to adjust a little bit and space this a little bit in more, just because it is barely on the lip. But yeah, it fits really good. I have to move it around a little bit just because it is a little bit off center, but this has to go up another inch or so. But yeah, once you mount it up, see right here what I mean by it's a little bit off center. And here there's like about an inch, and right here it's almost flush. So I just gotta move this side up another inch, and it should fit a lot better. But yeah, looks really good. It fits pretty good, so I'm happy with it. But yeah, so if anybody else is interested, there is the part number. It's for a Ranger Mazda B series, part number 250101. That's model Trux port, and yeah, it'll fit pretty good. Pretty happy with it, and only minor modifications to make it fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some 303 on this just to protect it from the sun, and then just adjust it so it fits a lot better. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Like, comment, and subscribe.